I can't believe that you're not alone. Happy as hell, ain't done moved on. Dude, he's a banker down in Austin. I thought you always...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name's Jessica. Before we get started with this video, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. It's free, so why not? So I'm sure you can already tell by the title of this video, we are going to be painting... Why do I keep doing this? This is awkward. I'm sure you can already tell by the title of this video, we're going to be painting a Bob Ross painting today. I did not create this video. I'm actually following it because I watched Jenna Marbles do this and I thought it was hilarious, so I was like, I'm going to try it out. So that's where my inspiration came from. I watched Bob Ross a lot with my grandma. We enjoyed him very much, but little did I know he actually died before I was born. He died in '94, I believe. Let me check my facts real fast. Just kidding. He died in '95. So he died a year before I was born. I thought he like recently passed away. Anyways, I really hope I do good. I think I will do good. Personally, at least I better do good because I tell everybody I love to paint. I'm a painter. I love art. I love being creative. So I really do think I'm gonna do a good job on this. At least I hope I do a good job on this because that'll be very, very sad if I don't do a good job on this. Honestly, we're just gonna get like right on into this video. I got all the supplies I need, which I really didn't have to go out and buy much because I already have a lot. I'm just gonna get right on into this video, so let's do it. So in this painting, I'm doing the one that's called Reflections of Calm, season 31, episode 1. Bob Ross. When I searched up Bob Ross paintings, this was like the first one that popped up, so I was like, why not? I'm so popular. So that's what I am doing. So yeah, let's just play this video. So the first thing that Bob Ross always does in all his paintings is he spreads a liquid white all over the canvas. Really don't even know what liquid white is, but they told me that this stuff works, so this is what I'm using. It's Gesso Acrylic, bright white acrylic primer, and it says acrylic, and he's using oil paintings, and they said that it doesn't matter, so they better be right. So that's what we're gonna do real fast. Y'all, I bought like this cheap little stand for my canvas, so it might fall a couple times, so if it does, don't at me. You're supposed to put like this little chain on the end of it, but like I couldn't figure it out, so I just left it alone. Oh, and I failed to mention, I already like I said, I'm a painter, so I already have like a bunch of paint clothes, and this was one of my t-shirts that I always get paint on, so don't ever paint in something that you know you love, because you might end up destroying it.
Tell you what, we'll start off today with a little 2-inch brush. There we are. We'll take a little touch of phthalo blue.
Okay, phthalo blue.
Blue's a beautiful, beautiful blue colors. Just tap a little into the bristles. We don't need a lot.
Okay, not a lot. Not a lot.
All right, let's go right up in here. Now we'll start just making little X's. Just little crisscross strokes. That easy.
Why is mine so much darker than this?
And we'll work all the way across the canvas.
Okay, so I went back for more paint 3 times. He did not, so I'm already messing up.
Now, still water is always level. And I think today, let's have still water. So pull from the outside to in, like so.
Okay.
That's all there is to it. We'll go to the other side, do the same identical thing. And in.
Outside in, outside in,
And leave
outside
a
in,
little area in here that's
outside in.
sort of light, right across your water. Sneaky. But it won't want to darken the corners on this.
Wait.
So take a little.
Wait, Bob, you do that so fast. Wow, that looks good.
Little Prussian blue. Prussian blue is much, much stronger than phthalo blue. It's a beautiful blue though.
Wait, Prussian blue? Look at this bucket of paints I have, y'all. And this isn't even all of them. Okay. We're gonna move on to the next step.
We'll put a little in the water too. We don't want it left out. Just
Oh, are you kidding me?
there.
I'm not doing that.
We're in business already.
I'm gonna skip that step. Can I do that? Am I allowed to skip steps?
Let's take. We'll use a little bit of phthalo blue, some lizard crimson.
Wait. You're doing a lot of stuff right now, Bob. Let me open it up. I haven't even opened it. I've never used one of these in my life. Okay. Ooh, nervous. What is this?
Brush this good and dry. And we'll grab it.
Okay, hold on. Okay, so he has... Okay, it's okay. These are my mountains. They live in my world. They look how I want them to look. Okay, and then he said to take that brush and
Literally move color.
just move the color.
If you were working on a dry canvas right now, you'd be in agony city. But because
Ooh, that was pretty, Bob. Oh, crap. What the hell is going on with my brush? Why is it making these like white streaks? Okay. Why isn't it sticking? It's too wet. I need a paper towel. If Bob Ross were alive to see this, I don't even know what his reaction would be. Why don't my mountains look like his mountains? Oh, there we go. There we go. We're starting to get a little something here. Do they look that bad compared to Bob Ross's? Heck yes. You know what? That's as good as they're gonna get, so I'm gonna move on.
now we go back to the solid dark color. And come right up in here. Let's go right up in here. Let's just see
Wow.
how dark it is.
That was good, Bob. That was a good cut. Wait, I'm gonna watch him do that one more time.
Up in here.
Uh-huh.
Just see how dark it is. Don't be afraid of it because it's dark. We're going to put a few little highlights on it. But you decide where all the little protrusions on your mountain live. Little bumps.
Oh man, Bob, you're killing it.
And there is no right rule that we have here. Is that painting should make you happy. You should enjoy it. And if it does that, then it's good.
Oh, I love him. I don't know where I was going with that.
Hey, you want us to get crazy today?
No, don't get crazy today. Gosh, it's so fast. What would you have done back in the day when you couldn't pause stuff? He makes it look so easy. These little bristles are making me so upset. Too happy. Drag it out, drag it out. Okay, so I noticed that Bob Ross's gets so white on the bottom, so I'm just gonna dip my paint in some white and do a little bit of cheating. Why did I do that? Why? Oh, Jessica, why are you so stupid? That looks so much better. I think that looks pretty good. I don't know. But
And reflect.
his looks so much better than mine.
And we're just looking for a basic little reflection here. We're not too worried about it being exact.
No! We're reflecting it on the Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna go with the little paintbrush now. I'm gonna try to fix some of this on the top. Alright, I fixed as much as I could. So I'm gonna try to do this reflection, I guess. Maybe if I turn it upside down.
Sometimes you may find when you first start it's easier to take the canvas off of you.
So now
Just want to pull it.
we're gonna pull it like we did this one.
Once again, the liquid white allows you to move color on here.
Am I good at this,
See,
Bob
that gives us
Ross?
a basic.
Could you have imagined actually following this tutorial on the TV? Like, Why did I think I was gonna be so good at this? I instantly regret saying that. I don't even know. I don't even, that doesn't look like a reflection to me at all, but.
I usually run the brush dry as I can possibly get it. You don't want
Oh, I gotta beat the devil out of my brush. BRB. Beating the devil out of it.
This with a wet brush.
Oh, that would have been great to know earlier, Mom.
Don't worry about it.
Mom, you make me feel so much better.
I don't want it to be real distinct.
What?
Just quiet.
That's why I didn't wipe my brush off. Okay, wait for me, Bob. Okay. Here we go, guys.
Very distinct things today. Just want the indication of little things happening. No pressure. Absolutely no pressure. Just let it float right across there.
Are you serious?
Just want to give some
Come on,
indications,
dude.
but not a lot of detail. Don't worry about it.
How did his look so realistic? Whistle while you work. Do, 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 do. You know what? That's as good as it's gonna get. And I'm not really that salty about it. Like, it really doesn't look that bad. Okay, that looks good. I'm not gonna lie, I did a good job on that.
I'll tell you what, we'll just take a little brush working pretty good. We'll just take that same mountain color.
We are halfway through this video, guys.
Gently grab it and lift up.
Okay, wait. Wait!
Okay, let's decide. Yeah, there we go. Maybe right in here, there's a little foothill lives right here. Just a little foothill. That's up to you.
Doesn't matter? Okay,
There.
good to know. Right. Okay, hold on.
It'll give the impression of distant trees that live far away. And right at the base of
I'm
the
still
sun.
tapping, Bob.
What a view they would have.
Bring it up, bring it up, bring it up, 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 up. Next.
Some blue and some
Cute.
Still
I
good
got a
sun.
hair repeating. Okay, and then he had dark sienna and white mixed.
Years. Because I agonized over painting them. A little bit of liquid white. And we'll just cut in a little water. It's a sort of a light area that
How are you
separates the two
so
darks.
good at this? Ew. Why?
Him, big tree.
Ooh. I like trees.
We're not looking for a lot of detail here. All we're doing is blocking in some basic shape. This is sort
My
of your
tree's
favorite
brown,
texture.
Bob.
So, but that's all right. There.
He's so fast at everything. I bet he's up there right now, teaching all the angels how to paint.
Compose as you paint. Learn to take advantage of what happens.
Why is
They can
his...
be your best friend.
Wait, I just realized. Maybe if I make my tree bigger. His tree is so close to his mountains. Happy accidents. Happy accidents, that's what we call them.
There. Maybe. Yeah, maybe it comes right on over there. Don't think we care at this point.
Nope, I don't think we do, Hey Bob. I don't think we do.
Slightly upward. Sort of brings everything together. There.
Whoa, how did you do that, Bob? Ooh, that doesn't look good.
Hello.
Oh, I'm
There's
failing.
a few little grassy things we're beginning to see.
I am failing.
Detail.
What? What are you doing?
Indication
Oh
of
my
water.
god. Why did I pick the hardest one?
Just a little here and there. It's neat, huh?
Yeah, it's neat when you do it, Bob.
Here he comes.
Color.
Maybe here. It'll go right on the top without mixing together. Painting the brush has to be a little bit thinner.
I forgot to add a stem. Okay, I'm just gonna add one right here.
Bush, whatever you want to call it.
Bam. I don't know.
Wherever.
Still working on the tree, Bob.
We'll take your reflection down. Like so. Come across. Go back to our little brush that has the stone lids right there. And wherever you want them. You just drop them in. Several little stones. Put some little grassy things.
Put some stones over here. Some grassy stuff.
Just to bring
That's it? Wait. I'm still not done. Almost. Okay, are you serious? What is this? That's not supposed to be there. Alright, well, that's the end of my video. I sucked. I legitimately sucked. There's paint in my hair. There's literally paint in my hair, paint all over my body, all over my shirt. This is my final product. This is what I did. This is what it looks like. It is not the best. Could have been a lot better. It could have been a Bob Ross lookalike. It's not. I'll probably give it to my grandma because I used to watch Bob Ross with her all the time. But that's pretty much the end of this video. I know, like, I promised y'all that I was gonna be like A1 on this and I did not live up to my expectation. So this was a complete fail, but it's okay. I still enjoy doing it. I had a great time doing it. And I mean, Bob Ross is a legend and I'm just an ordinary girl. So the fact that I even kept up with him even a little bit, like, that speaks volumes. So that's pretty much the end of my video. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I post new videos every week. I'll see y'all in the next YouTube video. Bye!
I can't believe that you're not alone. Happy as hell, ain't done moved on.